This is going to be your living and your dining area. Comes with two opposite placed granite slabs. It comes with this really big window over here, which is a sliding window. Hello and welcome to Housey, India's only online platform जहाँ पे listing करते हैं सीधे developers, thereby giving you the bottom most price guaranteed. Unlike other real estate portals जहाँ पे listing करते हैं brokers और आपके एक कॉल पे आपको आते हैं unlimited unwanted calls. At Housey ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है. और आज एट हाउसी मैं एकता कपूर आपको लेके आई हूँ एक स्ट्रेटेजिकली अमेजिंगली प्लेस्ड एंड लोकेटेड प्रोजेक्ट पर जो कि है बाय रवीमा एंड दिस इज लोकेटेड राइट इन दी हार्ट ऑफ हड़पसर वेरी क्लोज टू एमनोरा एंड मगरपट्टा जिसके बारे में मैं आपको बताने वाली हूँ एंड दिस इज न्यूटन होम्स. Let's go and take a look at their sample plat. Now this is the apartment which is of 956 square feet. They have two variants in it, 956 and 941. लेकिन कुछ features जो हैं वो almost same रहेंगे जैसे कि एक video door phone, आपका digital door lock, ये बड़ी सी space for your shoe racks and storage units, and the love that they're gonna have in the apartment. Let's go and check it out now. Right at the entrance is the study room, which is of approximately 8.3 by 7.9 square feet. Despite being just a study room, it also comes with a window right here over here, you can see, and that keeps the room very well ventilated and also pretty lit. Now it's time for us to take a look at your living area. This is going to be your living and your dining area, and there is also space over here where you can put up the dining area. This whole space is of approximately 13.8 by 10.8 square feet. Now it is really airy and really windy, and the reason is these French door balconies. I know right now you cannot see it because they've kept it open, but here are the doors that open right into the balcony. They also come with an adjustment window over here, which comes with a mosquito net. The balcony is of 10.6 by 5.9. That is 10 by 6 approximately, and it's really huge. It comes with the toughened glass railing with an SS cover over here. It is also covered from 3 sides. Now let's take a look at the kitchen. Right over here is the open kitchen concept again. Now this is just a piece of furniture, but if you take a look at it, this area can be completely utilized for your kitchen. The kitchen comes with two opposite placed granite slabs right over here. There is pretty good space to walk around, and also right at the end of the kitchen is your dry utility area. Take a look at the tiles because they change the moment you enter into the dry utility area, and it is of approximately 6.3 by 4.3 square feet. There are two different sinks, one for the vegetables and one for the utensils. Now before we go into the rest of the house, I have to tell you some things about Housey, and that is कि यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं sample pack videos, 360-degree tours, actual location tours, project overview videos, pros and cons videos, and a lot more. इसके अलावा अगर आपको कुछ भी डिटेल चाहिए जैसे कि pricing, down payment, EMI options, everything can be found in just one click at the link that's mentioned in the caption. So very quickly go and do that and subscribe to our channel. Along with that, घर में आगे चलते चलते मैं आपको कुछ चीजें बताना चाहती हूँ. सबसे पहले तो हम कॉमन वॉशरूम देख लेते हैं, फिर मैं आपको अंदर बाकी के रूम्स में जाके बताती हूँ कि what are the specialities of this project. This is the common washroom. Now here is your master bedroom that comes with an attached toilet which is of approximately 8 by 4.6, and the master bedroom dimensions are 11.3 by 13.6. It comes with this really big window over here which is a sliding window, and it also comes with a pre-fitted mosquito net. Now you just notice that there is one common washroom, there is one bathroom which is attached over here, there is yet another bathroom in the next bedroom also. अब ये तो होगी घर के अंदर की बातें. घर के बाहर की बातें is very simple. From here, Magarpatta, Amanora, Hadapsar area, and as a matter of fact, even Kharadi area is very close. It is right in the center of these three places. So from here, everything is just about 5 to 7 minutes. So if you want to stay in Hadapsar, beat the traffic and still stay in the heart of Hadapsar, this is the perfect place for you. And I think that's the reason they're calling it Newton Homes. They're very smart enough. Now let's go and check out the last room of this house. Right over here is the children's bedroom, and as I promised you, this one comes with a bathroom as well, which is the 4.7 approximately square feet bathroom. And क्योंकि बच्चों का bedroom है तो balcony तो होनी ही चाहिए. So it also comes with a very cute balcony over here which is of 11.3 by 3 feet, and it comes again with the French doors that open really beautifully. This looks really elegant when it opens. Now we have the balcony covered, we have this toughened glass railing, and we have this SS over here. What I'm gonna do now is that I'm gonna enjoy this property a little more. I'm gonna indulge into it. तब तक आप जल्दी से channel पे कर लीजिए subscribe, and let's meet next time. Thank you. So everyone, this was the 2 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project's new townhomes located in Hadapsar, Pune by Ravima Ventures.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.